they can form a cooperative, we can launch this program. That is how we are moving in that direction. We are requesting 200 modernized boats in that program also. Second one, today, it is the biggest foreign exchange among agriculture. More than any single vertical, this is the biggest vertical. And the future is very bright. Why I am saying food habits have been changed. All over the world, people are having health consciousness. They want to take more protein rather than carbohydrates. That is where it is going to supplement. Fish is going to, aqua food is going to supplement. But unfortunately, we are doing only 12% processing. What all we are talking today, it is only 12% processing. 88% leftover. And another very sad, 88% we are leaving as it is. Drains, some other areas like that. Then pollution is a big challenge. In fish, nothing is waste. Everything is having value. Either nutrition value or pharmaceutical value or nutraceutical value. How to make use of all these things is the challenge. That is where I am requesting honorable ministers, go for 100% utilization mission. Honorable Minister Commerce has to bring best knowledge partners to here. Honorable Minister for Aquaculture has to host them and guide them to come here. And also we are very keen to work in this regard. This is the sector we can grow multifold. All agriculture is growing at the rate of 2.5% nationally, whereas aquaculture is growing more than 10% annually, 15% annually. In our state, we are going multifold sometimes. So this is one sector. If you can go end-to-end solution, nothing will stop. Technology has become a very big handy. Pollution control also we can do, end-to-end traceability, everything we are prepared to handle now. Government of Andhra Pradesh is giving power tariff 1 rupee 50 paisa unit, earlier commercial tariff. Now I am giving 1 rupee 50 paisa. Those who are all registered, I am extending this facility. That is a big advantage for them. And also we are going now traceability. This registration. After that, I want to go IoT devices and then analyze end-to-end solutions, monitoring end-to-end. Suppose traceability, identification by using drone, by using satellite, real-time monitoring, what is the health of the fish, and also what is the potential yield of the fish for marketing, everything we are doing end-to-end. In this regard, I am requesting, one is short term, there are some problems. We have to address that problems. This is where we are having a fish feed rates are increasing drastically. Because all of a sudden, this fish meal export, we are doing up to 100%. Never we had problem. Now we are having a problem. That's why I am requesting our minister is evaluating 50% at least. You have to fix quota for exports, time being. Remaining 50%, you have to make use of domestic so that we can control prices. Soya also, we have to import, otherwise that also is enhancing the price. Even COVID period also we have done. Some temporary relief, if they give, then only it will survive. Free trade agreement with other countries to increase market access, anyway they are doing continuously. As our Commerce Minister rightly mentioned, he will bring all over all countries. One day Indian aqua product will go every kitchen of the world. That is our target. We will work in that direction. That logistics, Ram Mohan Naidu will work it out. Not only air cargo, sea cargo, all other cargoes, Prime Minister is working integrated approach. Another thing, soft loan we are requesting for exports, even there is some problem. Value addition infrastructure. Now I am requesting Honorable Minister 6 crore policy interventions in future. First of all, I have to thank him. 2 announcements, big announcements, long pending issues. One is regional office in Andhra Pradesh. I kept my promise. 15 days I am going to give land for him. Then 1 month he is going to start his office. Second, 72 crores they are spending fishing harbor in Kakinada for modernization. We are thankful to him. And now some deficiencies for ecosystem. Immediately testing the diseases real time and find the solution. There are some environmental imbalances, climate changes, all data is with us, but solution we have to find immediately, then only we will have advantage. That also I requested him. Finally, now PMMSY program is going to come for next Finance Commission. We are going to implement it. There I am requesting Honorable Minister to focus more on exports also. There he has to prepare a project, which states, how they are going to do, how to bring ecosystem partners and all stakeholders, how to activate to reach our goal, all these things. For this, I am requesting Minister for 6 years. As Piyush Ji has already mentioned,